Hello guys, today I am going to try this Pitaka mobile cover. This Pitaka is premium mobile cover brand. This one is carbon fiber, very thin and very lightweight, around 10 gram. Let's see what inside the cover. You can see here is some protection to put in the case, so if cases doesn't fit properly you can use this one, but I will try to try first without this. Here is some brush here. Let's try this one in my phone. You can see how thick this cover is. It does fit properly. No gap between, so I no need to use the sticker anymore. You can see how properly it fitted with the body, and it looks very premium and very lightweight. Thank you for watching.